Do you like stickers? I love them, but after downloading so many new ones, I've accumulated a lot on my Viber app. So, I decided to delete some and show you how to do it too. Let's get started. Open the Viber app. Then, click on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. After clicking, a screen with numerous settings options will open. Click on Sticker Market here. On this screen, you can find trending stickers and download some if you like. To delete older sticker packs, click on the gear icon. This screen shows all the sticker packs you have downloaded on the Viber app. As you can see, I have a very large number of them. To delete stickers, click on the Trash Can button next to the sticker pack you want to delete. A confirmation window will appear where you need to click Yes. Repeat the process for all the stickers you think you no longer need. If you have purchased any stickers, be careful not to delete them at this time. And that's it for this video. Write to us in the comments if you have any problems with any app, and we will do our best to help you with a tutorial. See you again soon.